Hi guys, welcome to the S-Way. I can say for sure we girls love smoked eye looks, don't we? And therefore in this video, I'm going to show you how easily you can create a brown smoked eye look which will perfectly go with your little black dress for a party night. I will begin with Lakme Blur Perfect Primer and apply it on the uneven sections of my face. This will give a flawless look when foundation is applied on top of it. For my foundation, I'm going to apply Maybelline Fit Me foundation and I'm going to use a brush to apply the foundation all over my face. I will go ahead with concealer, applying it under my eyes and on the nose bone and further so, then blend everything well. Once my foundation is done, I'm going to set my makeup with Maybelline's Face Duo Compact Face Powder. Once my makeup is set, I will go ahead with contouring my face using the darker shade from the Maybelline Face Duo Compact Powder Palette. First I will start with my nose and then I will move ahead to the outline of my face, and yes, I will just go ahead and define whole of my features on the face. For eyes, I will begin with a darker brown shade and apply it on the crease area of my eyes, starting from its outer corner. Following it, apply a light brown shade on the eyelid and here apply it in a dabbing motion. Then use a grey and a black shade to build up the smoked look in the outer eye corner. Go ahead with applying kajal, then smudge it out with a brush to get the final brown smoked eye look. Use the same brush that you used to smudge the kajal on the eyelid. This will bring the smoke effect on the lower lash line as well. Just a few strokes will create the effect. Moving ahead to my eyebrows, I will define my eyebrows with a brown shade from a neutral eyeshadow shade palette. Now I'll go ahead with my mascara, and the one I'm using is by Maybelline. It is Maybelline's Less Sensational and I'm gonna apply it on both my upper and lower eyelashes. Going ahead with my Revolution Pro highlighter. This highlighter is my favorite, it just glams up my face. So I will move ahead and start applying it on the nose bone and then a little bit on the cheekbones and on the eye bones of my eyes. I'm using the same highlighter on the inner corners of my eyes. Coming to my lips, I am applying a lip liner to define its shape and to have a base color. Then I will apply a nude shade of lipstick from Maybelline. Now I'm using NYX makeup setting spray to set all my makeup. So girls, this is the final look. Smoked eyes and nude lips brings in a very classy vibe to your entire look, which is just perfect for night events. And you just need to slip into your little black dress and you're good to go. So guys, I really hope you loved this look and enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then do make sure you hit the like button, and yes, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscribe button and the bell next to it so that you are notified every time I upload a video. Well, I will see you soon in my next video. Until then, this is Sampriti signing off. Bye bye.